Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on your Pinterest account. So let's get started right away. You can open up Pinterest on your web browser, or you can also open it up using the Pinterest application. If you haven't logged into your account already, just tap on the login button and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can see various different kinds of pins. Now, if you wish to turn off notifications, then tap on the saved button at the bottom right corner, which will take you into your profile page. Now, from the profile page, tap on the settings option at the top right, and now from the settings menu, go ahead and tap on notifications. You will now see the notification options. You can choose each category by first selecting on Pinterest, and now you can choose what kind of notification you would like to receive from the Pinterest application. Make sure you uncheck the ones that you don't wish to see. You can also tap on the by email option and choose what kind of email notification you would like to receive. You can tap on turn off all if you wish to disable all email notifications. You can also tap on a push notification to directly disable all notifications that you get on your phone by tapping one single button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable notifications on your Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.